To purchase an S&P 500 index fund through Fidelity, start by logging into your account on the Fidelity website. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the screen or navigate to the Research and Quotes page to access it. Type in the ticker symbol for the index fund you wish to buy, such as VW for the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, or any other index fund of your choice. Select the desired fund from the search results. Then click on the Buy button to open a pop-up window. Ensure that the action is set to Buy. Then enter the quantity of the fund you want to purchase. Choose your preferred order type, such as a market, limit, or stop-loss order. Click on the Preview Order button to review your transaction, which will display the details of your purchase, including the fund being bought and the quantity. Once you have confirmed these details, click on the Place Order button to complete the purchase. Your S&P 500 index fund will then be added to your Fidelity account.